Dear friends, today we shall learn class 10 science important question answer from chapter 6. Question number 1. The xylem in plants are responsible for answer transport of water. Question 2. Emulsifications of fat molecule is carried out by answer bell cell. Question 3. Plant undergo respiration in answer both in dark and light. Question 4. Photosynthesis is minimum in answer green light. Question 5. Energy currency of the cell is answer ATP. Question 6. Anaerobic respiration occurs in answer centroplasms. Question 7. The autotrophic mode of nutrition occurs answer carbon dioxide and water and chlorophylls sunlight. Question 8. The kidney in human beings are a part of the system for answer excretions. Question 9. The breakdown for pyruvate to give carbon dioxide, water and energy take place in answer mitochondria. Question 10. Breathing is answer physical process. Question 11. The phloem in plants are responsible for answer transport of food. Question 12. Name trees outside raw materials used by an organism. Answer food, oxygen and water. Question 13. What is nutrition? Answer the process of intake, digestion and assimilation of food is known as nutrition. Question number 14. What are the components of transport system in human beings? Answer. The components are heart, blood and blood vessels. Question 15. Where do the plants get each of the raw materials required for photosynthesis? Answer. The plants get each of the raw materials required for photosynthesis from carbon dioxide, water and light. Question number 16. What is the full form of ATP? Answer. Adenosine triphosphate. Question number 17. What processes would you consider essential for maintaining life? Answer. Life processes essential for maintaining life are given below: nutrition, respiration, excretion, transportations and reproduction, etc. Question number 18. What is the full form of ADP? Answer. Adenosine diphosphate. Question number 19. Where are digestion of fat takes place in our body? Answer. Digestion of fat take place in our small intestines. Question number 20. What is photosynthesis? Answer. Photosynthesis is a process by which phototrophs convert light energy into chemical energy, which is later used to fuel cellular activities. Question number 21. What is a pyruvate? Answer. Pyruvate is an organic molecule and consists of a 3 carbon backbones. Question number 22. What is the role of acid in our stomach? Answer. The role of acid in our stomach are A. It kills the germs present in our food. B. It forms an acidic medium in our stomach.